Drop top Shelby time here. 2008 Shelby GT500 Mustang convertible. Triple black, I guess you could call it. Black top. The dark interior black car with the white stripes. Now this car shows one owner on the Carfax. Spent the majority, pretty much all of its life in California. A little over 13,000 miles on it, about 13,800 and some odd miles. 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged V8 underneath the hood, producing 500 horsepower. That is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. One thing I did notice, modified a little bit on it, has a different grate, I guess, if you will, for the heat extractor hood. As you can see, paint's in nice shape on it. As with any black car, even a low mile one, you get a few, I don't know if you can see that, you'll get a few little spots where it's touched up right there. But you can tell someone's taking care of, taking the time to take a little bit of black touch-up paint, touching it if it's a little rock chip. But overall, nice showing car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And, of course, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Sell quite a few of these throughout the year, so give us a call. We are familiar with them. As you can see, the front not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Yes, are you going to find a few little tiny ones here and there that haven't been touched up? But overall, very nice. Good lust of the car. You can see the reflection behind me of the wall. Up and down the sides of it, it's really free of dings, nicks, much of anything for scratches. Tires have been replaced, so it is not the original tires on there as far as hard rubber, so you do have some fresh tires. And again, a little over 13,000 miles, 13,800 and some miles. Leather interior, nice shape, what you'd expect with that kind of miles. As you can also see, the shifter knob has been changed. The original one is still included with the car, and on the S197 body styles, they really did a nice job with the convertibles, how flush it folded down and ended up like that with kind of the one-piece top covering up the rest. But on this particular one, there is a boot that goes over it that is with it right there. I don't believe it's ever been out of the plastic. In the bag here, that is the shifter ball, the original one. There's your original hood vents that would have came in that hood, and it does have the prop rod removed and the hood stabilizers put on there to hold it up. So I'll show you that when we pop the hood here in a second, and those things will be in the trunk included in the sale of this vehicle. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Dual exhaust, I haven't really noticed any other modifications except for the ones I pointed out on it. Tires have been changed. And then the other things, that were changed, well, originals will be in the trunk and go along with the car. Yeah, look at that reflection of the showroom behind me. Nice luster of that paint. Things always sharp on black with the white stripes. This does have the Shaker 500 stereo system in it. Of course, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, power mirrors, the steering wheel controls. Pretty much all the options you get. And amenities on a later model car. Power driver's seat, there as you can see. Also power lumbar. Back seat doesn't hardly look like it's been sat in. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. I want to put the top up for you so you can see that. Alright. There's your miles, 13,862. The radio off. Radio obviously works. Stereo system, dash is not faded, showing any signs of wear there either. And remember, one owner, confirmed miles, no accidents. All in the Carfax. Looks like the car spent pretty much its entire life in California. Around to the back, so no crazy exhaust. Sounds like you'd expect in a white Shelby too. As far as the top, that is also in good shape, and you can see it's nice and black. And I'll do a video for you. I'll put it up, but sometimes when I get the camera right up on top of it or closer, it'll kind of wash that out. I want you to know that just by looking from here, that's the color of the top, and I'll reiterate that when we get the top up. Just like I said, sometimes it can wash it out. Let me pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay. All right, hood popped. These are red line hood struts. There you go, red line tuning hood struts. It's a nice setup. Going to any shows, you won't have the hood open. You don't have to worry about when catching that prop rod, or even for showing the car, just nice not having that prop rod up front. One of the other things I want to show you is look at this hood liner, how clean that is. It's not full of road grime, dried debris on there. If you are driving in the rain, get crud. So this car does not look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather. There's that 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8. 500 horsepower worth underneath the hood. These cars will scoot, have some nice torque bands to them. You can see how smooth it's running also. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, all of that. So there you go. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this one last quick time here, and I want to get that top up for you so I can let you take a look at that. All right, turned her off and put the top up so you can get a look at that. So, black cloth top, nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. You can see we have a glass rear window with electronic defrost, electric defrost. Yeah, I mean, a little bit dusty, if anything, in spots, and it's kind of the way the nap of the cloth lays too, but that in the camera is going to wash it out in this light. But it is a dark black top. Let's see. There you go. Like that right there is how the top looks. Like I said, it kind of washes out depending on the light here with the camera, but that right there, if I stay far enough away, gives you a true idea the color of that top. And again, you can check it out in those still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. And remember, Carfax shows this as a one owner, spent pretty much its entire life in California. No accidents indicated. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. They'll be able to answer that for you. Look forward to hearing from you.